Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial with me, Kirti Gupta. And today we are going to create an upcycled planter using transfer sheets by CrafTangles. The products we are going to use are CrafTangles gesso, chalk paints by CrafTangles, particularly Snow White matte paint, and CrafTangles transfer sheets. To start with, we are going to prime the surface of this tin planter using CrafTangles mixed media gesso. When our primer is dried completely, I'm going to start with chalk paint, and while the chalk paint is wet, I'm going to use the sponge roller to smooth out the brush paint textures. After applying the chalk paint, I'm going to let it dry completely. After drying off, it's ready for some transfer magic. There is this instruction leaflet inside transfer sheets, and I'm going to follow exactly the same procedure. Cutting off the design as close as possible to the prints. Placing the design in the place I want and making sure I press it down really well. Now I'm going to use wet sponge to dab the design on the surface. And it's time for reveal. Next, I decided to add some accents using stencil and chalk paints. With the transfer sheets, decoupage has become really very easy. As you can see, I don't have to worry about forming of bubbles. I don't have to worry about decoupage glue or anything else. I simply prepare my surface, add the transfer sheets, dab with a wet sponge, and it's ready. Our last step is always to apply the varnish to ensure the longevity of your project. I hope you liked and enjoyed my today's tutorial using transfer sheets. And if you do, please leave me some love and comment. And that is how the final product looked like. I hope you like and enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube under the name Kirti's Craft Castle. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you in another video. Bye bye.